Hello future doctors. How are you all? Hope so all of you are fine and the topic characteristics and structure of viruses are very well clear to all of you. So this is a quiz time. Are you ready? Let's start quiz. Viroids differ from other viruses in having only naked RNA molecule, only naked DNA molecule, virus genome with satellite DNA, virus genome with histone. Answer is only naked RNA molecule. All viruses contain DNA, contain RNA, contain protein, are intracellular parasites. The answer is are intracellular parasites. Viruses range in size from 20 nanometer to 250 nanometer, 50 nanometer to 400 nanometer, 100 nanometer to 200 nanometer, 50 nanometer to 300 nanometer. The answer is 20 nanometer to 250 nanometer. The example of spherical virus is TMV, ORF virus, bacteriophage, poliovirus. The answer is poliovirus. What gives definite shape to a virion? Tail, capsid, base plate, genome. The answer is capsid. Virus is composed of nucleic acid and capsid, RNA only, genome, capsid. The answer is nucleic acid and capsid. Which was the first virus to be successfully crystallized? TMV, smallpox, poliovirus, adenovirus. The answer is TMV. The size of viruses is usually measured in centimeters, micrometers, nanometers, millimeters. The answer is nanometers. It is incorrect about virus. At cellular nature, DNA, RNA, metabolism. The answer is metabolism. Which factors may help to determine the antigenicity of a virus? Capsomeres, size of virus, whole capsid, internal proteins. The answer is capsomeres. Which of the following has morphology of a helical virus? TMV, T4 phage, poxvirus, herpes virus. The answer is TMV. It is not true about viruses. Capsid has capsomeres, both DNA and RNA together as genome. Some are enveloped. Many infect animals. The answer is both DNA and RNA together as genome.